are watching Voice Asia with me, Vinita. During the rain, all birds seek shelter, but the eagle saves itself from the rain by flying over the clouds. Problems are same for everyone, but only your positive attitude can bring a change. The GIE Schools Asia, which has won several international awards for its unique ideas in the field of school education, organized a Help Me Grow competition to keep teachers active and encouraged through online education during the corona pandemic. Hundreds of teachers participated in this competition from India and Nepal. Along with this, the school teachers have also formed a group called Activities for Lockdown, Unseen Corona Warriors, in which many school teachers and parents have joined hands together to bring creative activities initiated by JIE School to the children. The award ceremony was held on 27 February 2021 at Rudrapur, Uttarakhand, India. The chief guest was Dr. Sabahat Hussain Khan, Member Judge, District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, US Nagar and Uttarakhand, President at Bronze Asia Group. The efforts of the teachers were recognized and appreciated. They were given certificates, awards, and cash prizes. The winner of the competition was Sarita Singh from JIE Preschool Chhatarpur branch, India. First runner-up was Mrs. Vidya Kaushik from JIE Preschool Fulsungha branch, India, and second runner-up was Deepa Chand Thakuri from JIE Preschools Kanchanpur branch, Nepal. Consolation prizes were also given to Vaishali, Gulafza Ansari, Ekta Singh, Anita Joshi, Monal Mishra, Muskan and Priyanka. This initiative taken by GIE is being appreciated by intellectuals not only in India but in many other countries worldwide. Their sincere and unique idea are redefining the way education should be looked at. Their heartfelt efforts to encourage teachers in these difficult times are admirable and noteworthy.
यहाँ के टीचिंग स्टाफ ने उनको बेहतर ढंग से गढ़ा है, अच्छे से सिखाया है और उनके व्यक्तित्व में काफ़ी निखार उत्पन्न किया है, जिसका ये परिणाम था कि उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। किसी बच्चे के चेहरे पर किसी प्रकार की घबराहट नहीं थी। स्टेज को फेस करना, स्टेज पर परफॉर्मेंस देना एक कला होती है, जिस कला से बहुत से लोग महरूम रह जाते हैं। लेकिन मैंने देखा बच्चों में आत्मविश्वास की कोई कमी नहीं थी। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया और जिन बच्चों ने जो बच्चे यहाँ के स्टाफ के उनके पेरेंट ने हैंड ओवर कर रखे हैं, वो उनके साथ में अपना 100% दे रहे हैं, न्याय कर रहे हैं। आने वाले भारत के लिए चरित्रवान, प्रबुद्ध और शैक्षिक नागरिक तैयार कर रहे हैं। ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है। स्कूल का जो प्रबंधन है, अरविंद जी और उनके साथी, उनकी टीम है, वो निश्चित रूप से धन्यवाद के पात्र हैं कि वो देश को अच्छे नागरिक प्रदान करने की महती सेवा में अपना योगदान कर रहे हैं। इससे बड़ी कोई समाज सेवा नहीं हो सकती। ऐसे जो भारत के नागरिक हैं वो अपने कर्तव्यों, दायित्वों का जो निर्वहन आज कर रहे हैं, उससे निश्चित रूप से कल स्वर्णिम भारत की स्थापना होगी। इस बात से इनकार नहीं किया जा सकता।
Many congratulations to all the winners and participants of the contest. The contest was organized by JIE Schools International. The purpose of the contest was to promote the school curriculum and enhance the teaching skills and confidence level of the teachers. The school curriculum is totally based on the development and growth of a child in various aspects. After this competition, I hope each and every branch were able to know about the positive factors of the curriculum. Now every branch will follow the school curriculum and do the activities in their schools also.
It's me, Deepa, representing GI School, Nepal. We have done a lot of activity regarding the juniors one in this Corona period or COVID-19 lockdown period. We just, the teacher who are coordinating from Nepal and India, we just prepare a video so that the kid will look it and do some activities at their home. And we teachers have made a great effort regarding to our activities and the materials which we found at home. We just play on that materials and prepare lockdown activities for our lovely junior kids.
ये कंपटीशन ही नहीं था जिसे जीता जा सकता है, बल्कि इस कंपटीशन को बच्चों के द्वारा, पेरेंट्स के द्वारा, हम टीचर्स के द्वारा, बल्कि स्कूल मैनेजमेंट के द्वारा भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्प मिली है। जबकि ये कंपटीशन लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में ही नहीं बल्कि इस समय भी रनिंग है और बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स, फॉलोवर्स हैं। सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट तो ये हुआ कि हमें ये आइडिया लगा कि हमें भी अपना एक यूट्यूब चैनल बनाना चाहिए, और हम लोगों ने अपना एक यूट्यूब चैनल पर्सनल बनाया और उसे सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट किया, और उसके थ्रू हम लोगों को ये माध्यम दे पाए कि बच्चे क्या सीखें, किस तरह से सीखें, होममेड मटेरियल्स के थ्रू या फिर क्वालिफाइड मटेरियल, स्कूल मटेरियल और फिर मार्केट मटेरियल के थ्रू बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली हैं। सो थैंक यू।
टीचर्स एक जो पिलर होते हैं जो आने वाले फ्यूचर में जो बच्चे हैं उनको तैयार करते हैं, और माँ जो होती है वो 9 महीने रखती है। टीचर्स पूरा जीवन अपना बच्चों को सुधारने में, बनाने में और एक प्लेटफॉर्म देने में जो है पूरा लाइफ अपना इन्वेस्ट करते हैं।
एक्टिविटी को जब मैं बच्चों को सिखा रही थी या बनाते हुए दिखा रही थी तो इससे मैं खुद भी सीख रही थी। मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ें इसको बनाते हुए सीखी हैं, और ये एक बहुत अच्छा एक कॉन्टेस्ट था जिसमें एक टीचर्स को, बच्चों को तो बेनिफिट हुआ ही है, इसके साथ साथ टीचर्स को भी काफ़ी बेनिफिट हुआ। इसको बनाते हुए हमने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा था।
I congratulate all of you, all who have participated in this great work and in this project of Help Me Grow competition, which was organized by the Choi In Educational School Asia during this coronavirus lockdown. And I have to tell you, really, all of you did an amazing job. I was just screening through all of this beautiful and awesome informations and plays and activities, and it was really hard to pick some. As we all know, it is not necessary to win, but it is very important to really join and to participate in such a competition, and also to really put yourself out and show what you are able to do, because you are all awesome. And it also helps you to gain confidence, and it gives you strength to move forward with your work. And please do move forward, because it is really very necessary and very needed. I hope very much that all of you teachers will continue in your work and in the same way as you have done now by participating in this competition, and that you do your work with dedication, because we are all educators by heart. It's not just something that we do to earn money. It's really coming from our heart, and we all have a deep desire to help children to grow. And especially in such a very uncertain period, it is really needed that we all go out and do this. So it is also very important that you support your nation, that you support your organization and your preschool during this time, to make this time a very less traumatic situation for the children. Once again, I congratulate you. All my congratulations to all of you, the ones who are the winners of this competition, but also to the ones who really participated, and especially to the ones who every day do hard work to really get the information to children to grow and to develop. So congratulations to all the winners and participants from India and from Nepal. Here from Austria, I'm sending all my love, all of my greetings. Namaste, all the best.